Yeah, what? You see how busy I am?
I want to see what it is as bad as you do. Standard issue. Got tap? Alright, keys decrypted. Let's do this.
That epic is really nice. I like that.
Out. Feeling lucky? I will.
Let go, baby. Let's go.
If that don't up your game, there's no hope for you. Alright, keys decrypted. Let's do this.
The Raven Gnomon body thing. Let's go, baby. Let's go.
Don't say I never do you a solid. Feeling lucky? I will either way.
Well, can't win them all, can ya?
Man, that's pretty sweet, right? Never know what's in these things.
Oh, the mad scientist.
Very nice. Got people. Alright, keys decrypted. Let's do this. You sure you're up to the
Oh,
challenge?
that was pretty cool. I enjoyed that. All right, gonna go ahead and burn these and then call it at that.